Hey everybody, Kungaloosh here and welcome back to another exciting episode. First of all, anything new? Well, similar? My microphone. My recording software is back. My baby. My computer just needed a restart. I know. I think that's what it was. But today, we're making two grinders. A blaze one and a cactus one. The only problem is, we're 4K short. Okay, just want to stay lined up with that. Oops. Wait a second. Is that right? I don't really remember. When it's that corner, how many blocks does it flow? Like from the diagonally, how far does water flow? No, I don't. You're so stupid. How unintelligent is water? Like, honestly. Water is like the most unintelligent thing in Minecraft. And it's a butt to deal with. Great, I just covered up the water source when I should have used my bucket. As you can tell, I've had a really good day. I'll try it in this corner. But we gotta make sure we're 8 blocks away from the edge of it. Or else it's just gonna flow in one direction, because that's how stupid water works. I think. Okay. For whatever reason, it doesn't want to flow this way. And now I have to make it smaller, because, yeah. So I gotta shrink it in one. Yeah, I gotta shrink it in one. Right? Nope. Now it's flooding. I literally love Minecraft. And its stupid physics. Because obviously something supported by 3 blocks like this will obviously stay standing. And also this being held up by virtually nothing. Science. Let's see, are we 1, 2, 3. I need to make it one more wider. Thanks, game. Nope. God dang it, water! You're so annoying. You're like my little brother. We're just gonna flow off the edge for no reason, because we're a liquid. Yeah, no. As you guys can tell, I haven't made a blaze grinder in a while. Okay, we finally have some of it. Let's keep it going. think something just fell down. Oops. I don't know why water's not flowing how it really should. Let's see. 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is 4. One, 2, 3, 4. God dang it, Minecraft, you're so stupid. Minecraft physics, am I right? Why wasn't water flowing there? And then here are the edges. God dang it. How do you get first and second? How? That makes no sense. Let's go work on a cactus farm. That should be enough. Just gonna build up. I literally have no clue how to make a cactus farm. So I'm gonna hope I'm doing it right. I know I didn't do it right. That's right. Because then when it grows up, it will hit that and then it'll break off, right? Right? God dang it. we go. There we go. Gonna go ahead and put the thing on quick. Actually, I'm just gonna place down all the slabs first before I do anything else. Did I make my cactus farm right? Or are they too bunched up? I think they might be too bunched up. So a lot of you are probably facepalming going like, Kungaloosh, that's not how you do it. Okay, so then I break all these. And break all that. Jump down, collect my cactus. And then build over one. Build up, up, and... Nope. Needs a gap. I have never ever built a cactus farm, so I'm gonna hope what I'm doing is right. God dang it. And then the cactus falls. We just don't have any water there to pick it up. I think I built it right, guys. Did I? Or did I not? Oh, don't want that there. Sorry if you guys hear all that thudding in the background. That's my brother's stupid pet rabbit. It's so stupid and annoying. Makes my life really difficult. I can't record, can't play video games, can't do anything because all I hear is. That's all I hear. How am I supposed to get out? I got this. Wait, no, that'll fall. Figure it out. Let's go grab 2 water buckets. The heck? Put the water in. Aw. Just gonna dig in through the wall. Oops. Didn't think that through. I need a sign. Help. Go grab a sign quick. Sign. There we go. Got a sign. So then we put the water there. And then we put a piece of cobblestone there. There we go. Then we take all of our crap out like that. And you guys know what I'm doing soon. The fun one. Now, there's only one problem. We still have to do that one. I'm not bringing this gear with because that's going to go in the thingy, the Museum of Gear, Armory, whatever you want to call it. Let's go one attempt at it. One attempt. Not going to do anything with that guy standing there because I don't want to die. Just going to jump down and go around. Okay. What's the deal with OP guys just camping entrances to the war zone? Honestly. Right as I exit, I'm just going to be shot right away. One attempt. Okay. Not a lot of people are on today. Well, right now. It is almost midnight. Everyone, drop a like. Now, if this video ends, like, very suddenly, it's because I smashed my computer and the LCD died. Okay? Now, there's a jump up here that it's a 4 blocker. Don't remember what. Oh. Okay. Only problem is I still have no clue where the heck I'm going. So I'm just going off the top of my head. I have the chords written down. And we just need to go south. That was one of those automated doors and that guy mining. Ooh. Could have fallen on that leg back. That scared me. I'm still very upset that on my first attempt, I was literally so close, and then that happened. Oh my god, there's a diamond guy. There's a diamond guy. don't have a speed pot, don't have a bow. Let me live my life. Literally, I just need to play my copyrighted speed music again. Okay, 30 seconds. This is going to be close again. But unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to make it. Yeah, because I have to go through. I mean, no matter what, I wasn't going to make it, so. Too many tryhards. But I think that's going to do it for today's episode. Off camera, I'll work on the blaze grinder. Get a blaze in here, because I'm literally only 4K away from it. So I need to go do some wars. Actually, how many diamonds do I have? 11 diamonds? Okay. I'm keeping the emerald though, because when you have that get for the banking challenge, get 32 emerald blocks, I'm going to need lots of emeralds. So, and I have it. Now look how much money I have. Be sure to like and subscribe, everyone. That's going to do it for today's video. And I'll see you all in the next exciting episode. Goodbye.